A business's Facebook page may not be visible due to several reasons. One common issue is that the page has age or country restrictions set, which limits its visibility. If the business page is deactivated, it will be hidden from the public, including followers and likers. Although deactivation does not delete the page, a page without a profile or cover photo, or one that lacks a call to action button, may also be inaccessible. Furthermore, if the About section is incomplete or if no posts have been made, or if it has been a long time since the last post, the page's visibility may be affected. Additionally, if the page is not published, it will not be visible to the public. To resolve this issue, it is essential to ensure the page is published, has a profile and cover photo, and does not have any country or age restrictions. The call to action button should be set. Basic information should be included in the About section, and the page should be active. By addressing these factors, businesses can make their Facebook pages visible and accessible to their audience.